Hey, Wes, what are you doing?
Come on, show you a hole, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
You have a look?
I gave this overhaul ready for.
Give him a spin. Ah, look at that. So people sit on that. People sit on that and go around, mate. What, you get little kids sitting on that? Is it a merry-go-round or what? Oh, you got to get the horses. Do they go up and down?
Yeah.
And so what's that? Just got a chain running down there?
I got a chain. I took it and lubed all the chain up and put it all back together. So the Hangi stuff.
Yeah.
I'll give you a bit of a clue. Okay, here's the tent.
Where's the tent? I can't see a tent.
The tent.
So this is the hole.
So that's a hole, and then see that big pipe there?
Yep.
He comes out there.
Yep. So you can blow in.
I can put the blower.
Well, is it low enough for drainage? Not quite.
Well, that'll drain where that is now.
Yeah.
That bit of
level.
water would sit under that.
That's level.
But
Yeah.
I mean, I can.
So this is where the big square thing goes in there. Are you doing the square thing or are you going round thing?
No. Doing these ones.
Round one.
Yeah.
Yep.
And these baskets here.
Yep.
You know, the original.
Yep.
The Aboriginal.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now up here.
Aboriginally
what's
speaking.
going on here. It's quite complicated.
Yeah. No, well, someone's got to explain it to simple people like me.
So across here will be one sheet of ply.
Yeah.
Like this way.
Yeah.
And then the others will go down the middle there. So down there, and then we'll have these things. They will be seats on this side. The other side will be planks down there.
Yeah.
And it'll be a table right down the middle.
Yeah.
Over there is the serving in the tent.
Yeah.
The serving in the tent.
Yeah.
That other log, it comes up on the end of here for seating.
Yeah.
And
Oh, it's log seating. Log.
now come down here.
Yep.
Oh, this is my option of steel. Just before I knew I knew we took too long to get the steel out. That's why I wanted to get it out.
What do you mean took too long to get the steel out?
You know, like
losing the heat. You mean? Yeah.
And with too much, like when you make it that big, it's a lot.
Yeah.
So I could either put that in, that lot there, with the chain, and that'll fit in, or put these in. I think this steel would heat just as good as that, wouldn't it?
That's all welded together. Yeah.
Because that would be enough.
Yeah.
You know.
No, I'd go with that. What is it? All angle iron. Yeah, no, I'd go with that.
And then I can just lift this out in one go.
Yep. Definitely.
Rather than all of that.
Yeah, that's too much mucking around. All that stuff.
But this will all heat the same as that would, wouldn't it?
Yeah. You got that big steel thing on the bottom, cast iron on the bottom, and that's all welded to it, so it can't fall out.
Yeah.
Are they all welded together, or?
No, see these chains here?
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
No,
so these ones here could possibly fall out, but probably not. Oh no.
No, the chain goes
tight.
over.
Yeah.
And they're bolted through here, you see?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
No, that's the way to
Use
do
that,
it.
eh?
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it.
Because we get a lot of heat into that, wouldn't you?
So what do? You get your hardwood burning, and you get all your coals.
Yeah.
And then you put that in, and then you put some more hardwood and coals burning, or what? How do you do
what
that?
I do, I put a couple of big bits of hardwood across.
Yeah.
And sit this thing on top, like the top of the hole.
Oh, you plan for it to fall in.
And then the fire's all underneath, and as it burns away, and that stuff will burn away, and then it all falls into the hole, and it's all in with the coals.
Yeah.
And then you've got that chain where you can just pick it up, take it out, and the important part is getting that shit out. I mean, I could put a couple more of these on top as well if you want.
Yeah. But still, you get the mucking around trying to get it out and all that sort of thing. So.
But if they've all got hooks on. Half a dozen of those sitting on top.
Yeah.
And you don't want to get too much because otherwise
you're going to be out of the ground even with that there, bro.
Yeah.
Even with that, you'll be out of the ground.
I know I'm going to be up that much.
Yeah. So that's plenty of. You get that glowing.
Yeah.
Because you've got the pipe in there now, to be able to get the blower in there to be able to. It's like a forge now,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, down here I'll show you what I bought.
Yeah.
I take this one up.
Oh, this is for frying it off.
This is the frying job.
Frying off.
And you'll be sitting.
Yeah, that's the plate that goes on top.
That's the plate in here.
Yeah, then you get a bit of coals in there.
Yeah, and
Yeah, no, it should too.
hold. Finnegan!
Should hold.
I know what you've done, because you told me. There's the body.
Hey, you boy.
Good boy.
Keith came up early in the morning. He said, I'll dig this hole for the Hangi for you, bro.
Yeah,
So he dug a hole.
yeah.
Who was the big fat cunt who did this?
I sat on there.
Oh, I know, I was
Yeah.
here.
Ah,
Baz, does that go in there?
Fuck, I didn't check.
It'll go. No, it'll go. Piece of fish. I was just asking Carol if you're thinking of lining it or...
Oh, we're done.
You're not lining it with
No. I was going to real Maori Hangi, right?
Mary Hangi.
Oh, man.
Oh, bro, where are the rocks coming from?
So, no, you can't get the rocks here. That's the problem.
Ah,
Sit on that, Baz.
yeah.
Your ass will fucking be cut in half.
And
This
so
is not going to be nice to look at, eh?
be still be enough.
Half-ass. Half-assed.
So,
Half-assed black ass.
so Finn, I'll just show you a little. There's going to be T-section table across there,
Yep.
and then tables down the middle. The girls will have logs. This log will go on the end of that log.
This one here.
Yeah, so they'll be logged together.
So
And
long
then
log.
There's some more planks down here, like this. Tent's going to go there.
Yep.
Yeah. So no loitering within tent.
No.
oh,
And no loitering within tent.
right. I get you. Hello, my name is Derek. I'm here to do the heavy lifting. I'm not very smart, but I can lift heavy things. Finn, turn it on, Baz, turn it on. He hasn't got the little horses yet
Put the horses on.
for the children to sit on.
Little pony.
Hey, look at this,
I've got the little
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, up and look at this, eh? Look at this.
There you go.
Here we go. Yeah.
It's either for a kindergarten
Hey,
or
Baz,
fucking old main time.
Baz. Is this really what a Maori go-round is?
Well, this girl, she came up.
I'm trying to see how that bloody...
This girl at Artie's party, and she said, "This going round and round, like, is this really just for show?" And I said, "Well, I suppose I built it."
How does it fucking go round and round? I do remember. I do.
So I'll get some of the embers in here, clean this out, and the food, like,
Yeah.
it's on there, they can just go and grab it off.
Oh yeah. So it's a staging
So when's
area.
the do, mate? When's the do?
On Sunday the 20th.